everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using these 5 beautiful colors from Luxie Nails. Now these colors here were just released. They're part of the new Pure Imagination Candy Shimmers Dip Powder Collection, and these colors are amazing. We're also going to be making a set of press-ons and using dip liquids. So we're going to do a fun Skittles kind of mani today. I thought since this is a candy themed collection that it would only be appropriate to use all these colors to make a Skittles mani, and these colors are perfect. They're such rich, buttery, sparkly, shimmery, vibrant colors, and they're amazing, and I love these colors so much. So that was another reason why I wanted to do a Skittles mani, is because I couldn't decide what color to pick first for a mani. So I was like, let's just use them all together because they are so fun. And you will see here that these colors are so pigmented and sparkly, and it's the most fine shimmer in these dip powders, and they are simply beautiful and definitely a must-have for your collection, especially now that we're heading into the summer months and those warm nights. These colors are definitely going to be great for the upcoming summer season. All right, so let's dive into this mani, and then I'll pop back in at the end.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from my hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still.
All right, so here's the mani with those 2 dips of that beautiful candy dip powder. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish up the mani with activator, and you will notice that I skip filing and buffing. That is because these powders laid super flat to the nail. It almost became one with the nail, that I did not need to file and buff or anything like that, which I was completely shocked by. So I'm just going to go ahead and take that lint-free wipe, and then we will go ahead and finish with our top coat, and then I'll pop back in at the end.
Feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
All right, and here's the finished mani. I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super fun, and the shimmer is unreal. Wait till you see these dip powders outside. It's like a whole nother animal. These dip powders, they really come to life in the natural sunlight. And I did take my pictures outside so you can kind of see all that gorgeous, radiant sparkle. But this mani is giving me all those candy vibes, and I'm totally here for it. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. I also do have a discount code with Luxie Nail. I'll go ahead and leave that in the description box as well. And I hope you enjoyed this mani. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next upload.